Well, what are you going to do about this stock?
I'm keeping it. I'm going down with the ship.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about Palantir stock. It ran up in anticipation of earnings. Earnings came out, we had our dump, and guess what? This is just going to be another opportunity to add an AI stock, which I believe, if you follow my channel, I mainly talk about AI stocks as of late. AITX, SoundHound AI, Palantir. Every now and then I talk about it, but I've been waiting for this to happen for a while now. It used to be under $20, but it had this huge run up to 27, and since then I've been waiting for this to get cheaper. We are dumping. I love this. This is an opportunity to add under $20 and accumulate for the next move higher. If we switch to the weekly chart, I'm going to show you something real quick. You guys see that? You guys see what I'm seeing on this weekly chart? Let me hide all the moving averages. This is our bear market, that huge bear market we had back in 2022 and a little bit of 2021. But we broke out of that downtrend, that bear market, and we started climbing higher and higher here. And you'll notice the trend is there. We create higher highs and higher lows over the long term. This is the weekly chart, mind you, not the daily. Over the long term, this stock has been climbing higher and higher. And here we are, we're pulling back, and I would expect this to go under $20, and we will see buyers step in yet again. It just makes sense technically to step in where buyers have stepped in over and over and over and over again. We would expect buyers to step in here. And that is where I'm looking to buy, around 1950, 1920, around $20 and under. That is going to be the area to watch out for. With the charts out of the way, let's switch over to this article by CNBC. Palantir shares fell 7% on lower than expected guidance. Palantir reported stronger than expected revenue and EPS in line with analyst estimates, but issued weaker than expected full year guidance. The company also posted a net profit for the sixth straight quarter, and they signed a $178 million contract with the U.S. Army earlier this year to help develop a next generation field deployable sensor station. Palantir likes to conduct boot camps with prospective customers, allowing them to get hands-on time with Palantir's technology. Now, with all of that out of the way, despite this 15% drop, I do believe that they will get more contracts. More contracts means more money in their pockets. It means a catalyst, the PR that drops that day for that contract that they acquired. I do believe this will be undervalued when it goes under $20. This thing has been, since the end of that bear market here, you'll notice since the end of the bear market, it's been just going higher and higher. It's been climbing higher and higher. And if we look at NVDA, an AI stock, chips really, but you'll notice it keeps going higher and higher. Over the long term, it keeps climbing higher and higher. And there is no better stock than a stock that continues to create higher highs and higher lows over the long term. A stock that moves like NVIDIA, where it just keeps going higher. All you have to do is buy the dip. Hell, you could buy the top here. You could have bought the top at 1893 and it came back up for you and then some. And then if you bought the top here, guess what? It came back up for you and then some. So even if you bought the top, you're still making money over the long term as long as you're a long-term holder. Obviously, if you're a day trader, swing trader, you would want to buy dips down here somewhere on this trend line. If it's going to continue to follow this trend, we might as well buy at the trend line. That is it for the video. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll alert it when this is going to be a buy. I'll see you in the next one.